Welcome to Voice Bootcamp, a global name in unified communication. In this chapter we'll talk about digit manipulation of dial plan. Digit manipulation, which affects a calling or call party number, which expands the calling directory number to fully qualified PSTN, or stripping 9 when you're dialing PSTN calls, or when you are receiving calls from PSTN 11-digit number and you want to convert it to 4-digit. These are all part of digit manipulation. Every phone have an external phone number mask. An external phone number mask is to identify the phone's caller ID when they're able to make a call to PSTN. Now when a Cisco IP phone calls from one IP phone to another IP phone, by default the caller ID is 4-digit. When that call is making a PSTN call, the caller ID by default is also 4-digit. However, you have the option to change the external phone number mask applied to line 1 of any particular phone. So whenever that particular line is making a call to a PSTN, you have the options to use the external phone number mask as a caller ID. Of course, this sometimes may get overwritten in certain countries because DID may not be allowed in certain countries. So here's a phone that I have. That external phone number mask is 1416301-3XXX, where the XXX will replace the extension number. Now on my route pattern under calling party, if I check this option right here, say use the calling party external phone number mask, what will happen is if I don't do any of the other settings, my caller ID will look like +1416301-3X3001, for example. This will be my by default caller ID when I'm making call to PSTN. This number right here will only show up if you check this button options on your route pattern. Now if I want to override that external phone number mask with some other values, then in the calling party transformation mask I would put this number 416-3001-301-XXXX. What will happen is these numbers right here will get filtered through this, and the result would be the caller ID will be 416-301-3001. So external phone number mask could be used to change the caller ID, which is a form of digit manipulation. Stripping digit, discard digit, which is used to strip digit from a pattern. Part of the call party transformation settings, discard digit fields is used to remove numbers before the dot. Now if no @ sign is used, the only discard digit instruction can be used is pre-dot or no digit. Discard digit instruction removes a portion of a dial number digit string before passing the number on. Every voice gateway, whether it's an MGCP